Deleted WhatsApp messages with no backup? In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you one method that may help recover them. First, open your phone's file manager. Once it opens, tap Internal Storage or All Files, depending on your phone. Now open the Android folder. Then tap Media. Next, scroll down and open the folder called COM, WhatsApp. Inside, open the WhatsApp folder. Now tap Databases. Here, you'll see several WhatsApp database files. These files can contain locally stored WhatsApp message databases, so this is the folder we need to work with. Now select the database files you want to keep. Then tap Copy. Once you've copied the files, go back to the previous WhatsApp folder. Now open the Backups folder. Once you're inside, tap Paste. Wait for the files to finish copying. Keep in mind, this method isn't guaranteed to recover every deleted message. It only works if the necessary WhatsApp database data is still stored locally on your phone. Also, WhatsApp's folder structure can look different depending on your Android version and the version of WhatsApp you're using. If this method helped you understand where WhatsApp stores its local backup files, like this video and subscribe for more quick WhatsApp and phone tutorials. That's it. Hopefully, this helped you recover your deleted WhatsApp messages. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.